This tutorial will show you how to upcycle the waistband from an old pair of jeans to create a creative new keychain holder. That'll give your keys a nice personal touch. To start with, you want to remove the waistband from an old pair of jeans. Use a seam ripper to carefully cut the stitches and remove the waistband. At this point, the waistband will be open along the bottom edge. Next, you want to decide how long you want your keychain holder to be. If you want to just use the entire waistband as your keychain, you can skip the next couple of steps. But if you want to make it shorter like I did, I used my wrist as a guide and cut the waistband to the length that I wanted. So now I have two pieces of waistband with the button in the middle. After cutting the waistband, I want to open the waistband pieces on the side that doesn't have the button and then sew them together with right sides together. This way you can connect your waistband together again so that it's the same thing, just a little shorter. Once you have your waistband at the desired length, you want to sew along the bottom to close up the keychain. You can top stitch through the layers to do this. If you want, you can try to match your stitches with the stitch lines that already exist on the bottom of the waistband so that you can make it more or less invisible. After that, you just want to add your keychain to your waistband and sew it in place. And that's it. You have a creative new keychain.